Hello guys, you're welcome to my video today. Today we are talking about how do you actually invest in real estate without being present in a particular place and without the cost of the cost barrier. So a lot of people would like to actually own property in a place that has some potential, probably a place like the US or Asia or any of these places. Now there are a few factors that could actually hinder them from doing so. One of them has to do with time. Many people are actually working, and that again could be knowledge. Not everybody have the knowledge of real estate, and that again could be paperwork. Like there is a lot of paperwork that one has to actually do to actually own property. Then on that again is also the issue of money and all that. So what this the Bfine ecosystem what it's actually trying to do is, how do we make land ownership very accessible to a lot of people? That is why they have this Weland platform that makes owning a fractional part of real estate. So what that means is that they took blockchain technology, and with that blockchain technology, there are real estate investors, there are real estate developers, and all that. They buy this property and then they tokenize this property. So you as a person, with as low as $100, you can own real estate. It's trusted, it's diversified, and it's a very, very good platform. So guys, you want to check them out on bfine.io with Weland also. Thank you very much. Bye.